Wix versus Google Sites. Which is the better website developer in 2021? Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking a deep dive and comparing both of the website developers that are the most popularly used by starters and beginners. So first off, we have Wix. Everyone knows about Wix. We've all heard about Wix. Wix is free to use. Both of these are free to use. Google Sites is also free to use, and they're both very good. I'm not going to say either of them is bad, but one does significantly outdo the other, and I'm going to get back to that in a minute. But first, we're going to take a look at both of their workspaces, how their dashboards look, what kind of features they provide, what kind of templates do they have, and what will your website look like once it has been created on either of these website developers. So first off, we have Wix, and this is the homepage on Wix once you have created your account. This is where you're going to be able to see all of your websites. You're going to get a free domain name once you create a website with Wix, and you're going to get free hosting as well. So you can get a customized domain if you actually purchase a plan on Wix, but they do give you a initial free domain. Now, taking a look at Google Sites, well, this is their general interface. It's not very complicated at all. It doesn't have a lot of options as well. Even in terms of templates, you can see this is their total template gallery. So there are like less than 20 templates in total provided by Google Sites, while on the other hand, if you just click on create a new site on Wix, you're gonna be handed to a very, very large gallery of templates. So first, Wix is gonna ask you what kind of website you're creating, and you're just gonna tell them, and you can either create a website from scratch using their templates, or even let the artificial intelligence on Wix create the website for you just by inputting your general information. Now, if we're just gonna go and take a look at the templates just to compare them to the Google ones. So these are the templates provided by Wix, and you can see you have 46 pages of templates just for one category, and that just shows why Wix is so popular. You know, we see the ads everywhere, we see the sponsorships. It's a reason that they're so successful, because the service that they are providing, they provide it very well. While on the other hand, Google Sites is something you could probably get away with. You can use it, you can work with it, but in terms of long-term goals or a long-term business that you're setting up, a long-term store that you're wanting to create, Google Sites is not going to really hold up, and it's not going to look as good as something that built on Wix would look like, because things that are available on Wix are usually trendy. They're not something that's going to feel outdated in a couple of months. They have templates that really cater to the younger eye and the younger generation to add more traction to your website. Now we're going to actually take a look at websites I have created on Google Sites versus websites I have created on Wix. Now, you can see over here this website I created on Google Sites. It's alright, it's decent, but you can see it looks a bit dated. Now, this is a website I created on Wix, and you can see the general look of it. The aesthetic is so appealing. The color scheme is good. Everything is very modern, and it looks like something that was created by a large curated business rather than just some person sitting on their computer. So that's the general outlook you're going to have on both of these, you know. But Google Sites, I'm not saying is an absolute mess. You can create a decent website on Google Sites. If we were to just even open one of their templates, it doesn't look terrible. It looks rather okay. And if you just open a template and input your information, you can get your website up and running in under 3 minutes using Google Sites. So you can just add your restaurant name. And the workspace you can see over here on Google Sites is very easy to use. On the left, you have all of your insertions, your pages, your themes, and anything you want to add to your page, you want to edit, you're going to edit using this little tab. You can integrate your Instagram handles, your YouTube channels, any third-party media that you have. You can link that to your website as well. Now, a reason that people prefer Google Sites over others is because everything you already have an account on is linked to Google. So that's why people like to use Google Sites, because it just gives them ease of access. That's a huge plus point that other website developers can't really claim, because ease of access, you have one Google account, all of your stuff is going to be linked to that singular account. And you can just publish this, add your web address that you want, and like so, your website has been published. If I were to open it, you can see it's up and running in under like a minute, and I didn't even, design it yet. But on Wix, you're gonna have to answer a few questions. So let's just say we're gonna create this. So they're gonna give you the option to edit your template or just use a AI. In the AI version, you just have to input your data in text form, and that's gonna design the entire web page for you. And now, because of the superior design, Wix is taking a little more time than Google Sites to just load the template, load all of the features, load all of the customizations that are available. And that's a huge plus point for Wix, that they provide a lot of customizations. You can do a lot more on Wix as compared to Google Sites, which only provides you with a very small number of customizations. Now you can see our template has loaded on Wix. You can see on the left over here, you have your documents, you have your fonts, you have your backgrounds, you have your gallery, you have your media, and then you have your general outlook of the theme. And you can just click on anything you want to edit. And that's one feature that I absolutely love about Wix and I hate about Google Sites, is that on Google Sites, you're going to have to change everything from the right control box panel basically that you have. But on Wix, that is not an issue. If you want to change an image, you're going to click on the image. If you want to change a text, you're going to click on the text. You're not going to have to work on a separate dashboard or the separate side control panel. That really just eases up your work, and you don't get annoyed with it by having to, click over there again and again. But it might be annoying at first, but you get used to it as well on Google Sites. But this is something I just prefer over Google Sites in general. Now you can just add your restaurant name. And it's just as easy. You're just going to click on whatever you want to change, whatever you want to add. You're going to add, if you want to add maybe another catalog, you're going to add that first. You're just going to click on this plus icon, and it's going to ask you what kind of strip that you want to add. And you can integrate your Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube accounts over here as well. So let's just say we want to add a decorative strip that's blue, and you can add this over here. We're going to expand it, and you're just going to add it like so. And this is a great part about Wix, is that it allows you this customization. But along with this great thing, it can actually make you mess up stuff as well. So let's just say, this vector strip that I added, if I were to actually place it over the services, yeah, it's gonna be placed over. If I keep on dragging it, I can cover my entire block using this little square unknowingly or by accident, and I can ruin the entire look of my website. So that is also something to keep in mind. You can mess up the designs on Wix if you're really messing around and you're trying to customize. You might just add too much stuff as well that might look overwhelming for your website. That's also something that happens often with new users on Wix. So just to summarize, overall Google Sites is pretty decent, but Wix does outweigh all of its cons by the pros that it provides. Wix provides you with a lot more templates to work with. It provides you with AI that could design your website from scratch. Wix also gives you a lot more customization, and that's maybe the only negative I can find about Wix, is that the customization can sometimes lead you to create designs that are actually not suitable. Other than that, I think Wix does website building so much better than Google Sites. But If you're just someone that doesn't want to bother creating an account anywhere else, you just want, maybe you run like a very small business and you have maybe a repair company and you don't really need a website, you just want to create one that links your name to your company. For that purpose, I think Google Sites may be fine, but even then, I would suggest that you opt for Wix in any situation. I think Wix is far, far, far greater as a website developer or a website creation tool. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.